Hi guys, so today's video is going to be all about this Marley twist hair. I'm so excited to show you guys how I did it, so keep on watching.
Hey, please subscribe. Thank you.
Alright guys, let's get started. So this is basically what my hair looks like. I stretched it with a blow dryer just to make sure installation process is a lot faster. This is the hair that I'm going to be using today. Of course, I'm going to have the links to where you can buy it in the description box below. Guys, the star of the show today is really this mirror. Ever since I've gotten this mirror, it's just been a game changer for whenever I want to do braids. It's so easy to use. It has this hooks that you literally hook on top of your door or whatever you want to hook it on to. It has lights if you want to use that. So easy. It's better when you have another mirror behind you, so you have four-way. Oh my gosh, game changer. I've had this mirror for maybe like almost 2 years now, because literally I recorded this video almost 2 years ago. I just haven't had the time to edit or post it, but I've used this mirror a couple of times and it's just worked so well. Anyway, the link is going to be in my description box below, so be sure to check it out and buy it, especially if you do hair. It is amazing. So this is basically the whole process of doing this hair. Okay, I'm going to take the ends of this Marley hair and I'm going to just comb it out. The reason I'm combing it out is because I don't want the ends to look too perfect, because I'm going to end up curling the ends. So that's why I'm just combing it out. I don't know if it will make any difference if you don't comb it out, but I decided to comb it out because the ends just look too perfect for me and I wanted it to look more, rough. That was the look I was going for. So basically I'm taking one color of each of the Marley hair that I showed you, and I'm going to basically first braid just a little bit and then twist the rest. So I decided to start combing it out in bulk, because doing it one after each other was just taking up too much time, and guys, I did not have time. So I was just combing, just comb the ends all together at once, and it would look just like that. Okay, so that's the one I've combed versus the one I haven't combed. So again, just do it in bulk. And now this was the last one. I was so happy, guys. Like, I was tired. So again, same thing, just braid and then twist. Alright, so this is basically what it looked like when I was finally done twisting. I was so happy that I was done twisting, because that's the hardest part. Okay, as you can see, I was excited, like, yeah, okay, let's go. So now it's to the fun part, which is curling. So I'm just taking my hair grease or whatever this is called, and I'm just going to put it at the ends, and I'm going to be using my flexi rods today to curl the ends of the hair. So I've curled one part, but I'm going to kind of like measure to make sure that it's at least a bit even. And I'm curling, is this away from my face? I think this is away from my face. Yeah, so I'm curling away from my face or towards my face, whatever. You see the motion. Okay, I'm just curling it that way so that it looks more, I don't know, I just prefer the direction of the curls like that. Next, I'm also going to be curling some pieces of the hair. So again, I'm going to comb out the ends of the hair, and I'm going to split each one into 3 and just roll it around my flexi rod just like that. So next, I just dip the end of the hair into hot water just so that it would put the curls together. Then obviously patting it down with a towel. Okay, so I basically just want to do my makeup and I left the hair to dry. I'm going to go ahead and take out the flexi rods now. Okay, so this is what the ends look like, just like that. I wish I had curled it a little bit more, but let's keep going. Okay, so this is basically what I have. This is what the curls look like. I wish I curled a little bit more, but I didn't want the hair to end up looking short, so I guess this will work. I wish the hair itself was longer. So I'm just using my fingers now to separate the curls. So remember, I curled this. This is basically how the curls turned out. As you can see, I think it turned out really good. I'm really happy with how it turned out. So I'm going to attempt to put this on my hair and see what it looks like. Hopefully it turns out nice. If it doesn't turn out nice, I'm just gonna take it out, okay? I'll just show you guys how I took out the curls. So basically I just opened this to be straight, and then you just want to find where it started, basically, and then just start unraveling gently. You might run into tangles once in a while, but it's not a big deal. So basically what I'm going to do now is fold it into two, make sure that it is pretty equal, and then I will put this at certain points of my hair, just making sure that it's not longer than the actual hair itself. It's in like this. Sorry guys, I can't even see what I'm doing. Okay, take that part, close it, pull it through. I think I'll do 2 loops. Okay, that should be good enough. Just pull it and tie it. Alright guys, that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely give this video a thumbs up. I hope you're gonna try this hairstyle and tag me on Instagram when you try it. My Instagram name is Barbara_Udenze, and TikTok as well. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.